Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, good morning. How are you all? I hope you are healthy, okay? Here I will explain one topic about communication system in the company. Communication is an activity that will always take place in everyday life. Both communication that takes place between individuals and group. Communication itself is an activity to deliver message, to build relationship with one another. Communication is not only carried out by individuals, but can also take place within an organization or company. Within an organization or company itself, we will also have a communication system for its continuity or existence in a social environment. Then, what and how is a communication system in the company? Let's look at the following reviews. Before discussing the communication system within the company, it is necessary to first understand what is referred to as corporate communication. Corporate communication in an activity in sending message carried or by the company organization to its relationship or bond environment. In other words, corporate communication is an effort or a way for a corporate organization to build a relationship both within the company and with the environment outside the company. Relationship that are built both within the company and with the environment outside the company. Relationship that are built both within the company and outside the company are understood as a communication system within the company. The communication system within the company itself as reference for company organization is running or building relationship for in the company that must be implemented properly. The two communication system in the company are internal corporate communication. The first communication system in the company is internal corporate communication. This means that is a company communication that aims to build good relationship within the company itself, such as creating a good relationship between superior and employees and between employees who work inside. While company communication itself also has interaction role in solving work discipline problems. So that internal company communication is important so that the sustainability of the company can be guaranteed. It is also intended to create a sense of responsibility for the obligation of each individual in the company. External corporate communication. The second communication system in the company is external corporate communication. This means that is a corporate communication that aims to build good the company. Well, for a company to be able to build a relationship with the public outside of company is an obligation that must be done. This can also be a sign of the extension of a company similar to the group communication system. Company communication with the external public is also needed because a company will not be able to survive on its own. So, it requires relationship with companies and the outside community to continue to survive and achieve its own goals. Those are the two communication system in the company that a company organization should be able to build with the existence of a standard of foundation for communication system within the company. The communication that takes place in the course of a company can be directed and in accordance with the objectives. In addition to the two communication system within the company, corporate communication can also take place through a publication, advertising, promotion, propaganda, conference, cooperation with fellow companies, with the public as customer, and so on. All of these company communication system can also be used in dealing with influence of business communication within the company, so that the company's goals can be achieved properly. Thank you for the watching and see you guys. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.